Okay guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on location on Apple Watch. So if you want to share your location on Apple Watch or you want to use check-in on Apple Watch, you need to turn on or enable location on your Apple Watch. And for this video, you'll learn how you can easily turn on your location on your Apple Watch. So if I don't know this, you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Then all you just need to do is make sure you press the YouTube crown on your iPhone to exit the watch face and go to the app menu. On the app menu, click on settings. Now, once you click on the settings app, scroll down the page, locate and click on privacy and security. Click on that, and here you'll be prompted to type in your screen time, PIN or passcode. So go ahead, type in your iPhone passcode, then locate location services, click on that, and here make sure you turn on everything you have under location services here, including location services, share my location, and then find my network. Then once you have all of this turned on, then you're good to go. That implies that you have successfully turned on location on your Apple Watch. Now, if you want to use the location on your Apple Watch, just need to go to any of the applications where you want to use the location on your Apple Watch, like Find My. Once you open it, then you're going to have access to all devices that are connected to the same Apple account on your maps. You see that? So that is the maps info on my Apple Watch. So that is basically how to turn on location on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.